How are you all? Okay. So today we'll discuss a very important topic. That one is what? If P divided by Q is a rational number, then the reciprocal of P by Q, that is Q by P, is also a rational number or not. Okay. So for discussing each one, first we need to understand what is rational number. Okay. So we'll discuss that what is rational number first. Rational number means what? Rational number means it is a number which we can write in the form of fraction. Fraction means what? Numerator divided by denominator. So that is the one we will write here P divided by Q, where you have to remember Q is not equal to 0. What is that? Any number which we can write in the form of P divided by Q, where Q is not equal to 0 and P and Q are integers. Okay, what are they? P and Q are P your integers. Okay, so now to understand this one, we will take an example. Okay, so first example we will take. I am taking a number that is 2 divided by 3. Okay, where 2 is an integer, 3 is also an integer. And here, denominator, you are seeing what? 3, which is not equal to 0. Okay. Now, if I am taking the reciprocal of 2 by 3, it will become what? 3 divided by 2. Here, the numerator, that is 3, that is an integer. And 2, that is also an integer and that is not equal to 0. That is denominator is not equal to 0. So what we have got here as 2 by 3 is a rational number. The reciprocal, that one is what? Your 3 divided by 2. It is also a what? A rational number. Okay. So up to this it is okay. There is no problem. That is 2 by 3 is a rational number. Reciprocal of 2 by 3, that is also rational number. And in the both the case, denominator is not equal to 0. But the properties of rational number say denominator cannot be equal to 0. But numerator can be 0. Na? Okay. So now we will take another example. Okay, where we will take numerator as a 0, but denominator not as 0. Okay, that is 0 divided by suppose 3. Here, what is that numerator? That is an integer. Denominator, that is also in what? Integer, where denominator is not equal to 0. So I can say 0 divided by 3, that one is your rational number. Okay, now if I am taking the reciprocal of that, now reciprocal, reciprocal of 0 divided by 3, it will become what? 3 divided by 0. Here, 3 is your integer. 0 is also what? Integer. But what we are getting, that denominator is becoming what? It is coming equal to 0. And we know any number which we can write in the form of P divided by Q, where Q is not equal to 0, then only I can say it is a rational number. Here what we are seeing? We are seeing 3 divided by 0. Here denominator is coming 0. So I cannot say it is an rational number. So I will say it as what? It is not rational. Another thing, any number divided by 0, any number divided by 0 is always what? Not defined. So that means I can say this is not a number. It is not rational, that is not irrational. Okay, so from that, what we have come to the It is not necessary that that will be a rational number. Okay, if numerator and denominator both are non-zero, then definitely the reciprocal will be your rational number. But if the numerator is becoming zero, if I am doing the reciprocal, then that p by q form is not at all a rational number. Okay, thank you for today and thank you for being in the video.